Hello everyone, welcome back to No Destination Necessary. We're still exploring the beautiful city of Lille in northern France, and it has not disappointed as we had an eventful few days. From wandering through Old Lille to catching the vibrant Christmas lights, it's been an adventure. Let's dive in. So we kick things off with a walking tour of Old Lille. This place is seriously gorgeous with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings and so much character. Our tour guide took us back to the Grand Place, the Old Stock Exchange, and the Musée de l'Hospice Comtesse. He was able to add context to what we saw the first time we walked through earlier in the week. History and architectural detail, including cannonballs embedded into the walls of homes, made for a great walk. Saturday was all about the hustle and bustle of Lille's shopping scene. We're traveling light, so no serious shopping for us, but the window shopping and people watching were awesome. The city was buzzing, and the festive vibes were in full swing. We even caught a brass band performance at the Grand Place. Those guys were pretty entertaining, and there was a concertina player somewhere in the mix that just added to the magic of the day. As the night rolled in, Lille turned into a twinkling wonderland. The Christmas lights were absolutely stunning, and the whole city felt pretty festive. We watched a 5K, 10K race run through the city streets. It was pretty cool seeing the runners dodge around pedestrians, shoppers, bicyclists, and cars, all under the lights and try not to get smashed.
Better vantage point. Climb up. Oh no.
Sunday was market day. We headed to the street market in Old Lille, which is pretty cool. There were fresh produce and meats and trinkets and delicious treats everywhere. There was a vendor selling fresh squeezed juices, and Lisa couldn't resist picking up a bottle of mandarin orange juice. That's it for our little adventures for now. This city has been such a delight with its history, culture, and festive fun. We're here for a couple more days. If you've been to Lille or have any travel tips, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching.